All right, today we're going to see how many of my guns I can take apart in 60 seconds. Never tried to do this, so this could be a total disaster. Or it could work out really well. Let's find out.
That's 3. There's 4.
What are we at time? 30 seconds. Ah!
There's 5. Six. Skips the staccato.
I skipped the staccato, yes, because it takes a lot of extra effort.
It's 7. Working on 8. There's 8.
All right, can we make this happen?
And there's 9.
Hand me the gun. Hand me the gun. Oh no, we're over time.
Yeah. It's all good. Keep going. Yes, this is technically a pistol.
It technically is. Oh, I dropped it on the phone. All right, that was 10 guns.
10 guns in...
Oh, and it stopped the timer.
when you drop the bolt. 10 guns in under 2 minutes. Not bad.
Hey, best videos. This is what we do.